Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to do a review. As you know, we're in the Wolf Pup full time. 12 months ago we decided to get another water heater because the one that was in it is a 6-gallon tank, absolutely worthless. You can't even take one shower with that thing because, you know, by the time you start using it and you got a 6-gallon tank, well, it starts dumping cold water in the tank. Well, then all of a sudden you've cooled down the water that you do have before you used up the 6-gallon, and it just ain't worth a darn. You couldn't take a very long shower at all. You have to take a real quick one. If two people have to do it, then you have to wait. When one person gets done, you have to wait until it heats the water back up, and then take another quick shower to get the shower done. It was such a hassle. So if you got an RV or a travel trailer, either one, invest in a Precision Temp hot water heater. This thing, we've had it for 12 months. This is August. I installed it in August last year. This thing has been so wonderful. It has never hiccuped one bit. It hardly uses any propane. We got this small tank's all we use. This tank will last us a month or a little over a month. And we keep an extra tank and we just trade them out. So it costs 13 bucks for our propane per month. And that's running, if we use the stove in here every day, we do. And that's running the hot water or the water heater. That is taking a shower every single day, both of us. And then sometimes I'll take multiple showers a day. If I'm out working, I come back at lunch, I'll take a shower because I'm sweaty. And in the evening before I go to bed, I'll take a shower. So multiple showers. And I can take one, she can get right in it, but she can be, we can do dishes. We just never run out of hot water. You can run that thing endless, I would guess. If you got an RV or a camper, whatever, pop-up camper, a tiny home, these Precision Temp water heaters are absolutely worth the money. This is a Precision Temp RV-550 that I have in here. I'll show it to you on the side. But never had to do anything to it. I blowed it out with air one time just to get the dust out, but other than that, I've never done anything. It just always continues to work. So I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get one of these at Precision Temp. And also I'll have a code on there. If you put in the code Woodzman, when you do, you'll get a $25 off discount. So that's a plus. But use that code when you go to get one. But let me show you the water heater, how I got it on the side. I took out the old one. I'll post a link also to the video. I had to cut out a little extra because this was a little bigger than the 6-gallon, but it's really simple. You can click on the link below, look at my video, and see where I done the install and how simple it was. There's really nothing to hooking one up. Don't waste your money with the ones that come easy thing. Get a Precision Temp, you'll be happy. All right, hopefully you can see it in the low lights because it's back here between the wall and the building here. But this is the Precision Temp water heater. It installed super easy. I opted for it because I got the dark colored camper. It comes standard with a white unless you want the raw aluminum where you can paint it whatever color you want. Super easy to install. Right here is the exhaust where the heat comes out. If you was to have this in a closed up building, my building right now is not closed up. We don't have the doors installed, so you might want to exhaust it out. All right, guys, thank you for watching my video. Check out the link below to Precision Temp. And like I said, if you put in the code Woodzman, whenever you go to the checkout, save you 25 bucks. Also, check out the video below of my install. So like I said, if you got a camper, an RV, a pop-up camper, a tiny house, Precision Temp can fix you up because these things are the greatest things there is. Of all the installs, of all the things I've done to my Wolf Pup camper, the hot water heater is definitely number one as far as things you can do to improve RV or camper living. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.